is my cousin Illia joining us today. And today we're going to be drawing Hammerhook from Heroes of Goo Jit Zu. We've got Hammerhook, the original toy. We're going to put him right there. He's going to be our model. Oh, and let's get on with the video. Okay, so first we're going to draw his eye like this. And we draw two C's that go like this. And then we draw an oval inside the eye. Now we're going to draw a little line right there. And then we're going to draw a line that goes like this. And that. And now we're going to draw a line that goes like this. It looks like a V. And now we're going to draw a C. And now we're going to draw another C. And like that. And we'll go like this. We're gonna say this one before the line. And now we go like this. And this. Okay. And now we go like this and this. And now we go over right there. And a line right there. Okay, and now we're gonna draw a line that goes like this. And now a little C that goes like that. And another line. And now we're gonna go on to the teeth. We're gonna draw another C like this, and another kind of looking thing like this, and that again. And now we're gonna draw the teeth. Okay, so we're gonna draw it like this. And then we're going to draw it like that. And then some thin lines. And now we just got to repeat that a couple more times. So this. And that. And that. This. And that. This. And that. And now we're gonna draw the same thing, but upside down. So we're gonna draw it like this, and then we're going to draw it like this, and that. This, and that. This, and that. This, and that. And now I'm gonna pass it on to Illia.
Okay, then I'm going to draw body and legs and tail and eyes. Okay, then you draw like little bit, like two lines. Then you do like this shape. Okay, and you do like this. Then it's going down and up. And you're doing like this. Then you do like this and keep doing this a couple times. Okay. Then you draw like this line and draw those things. Then you draw here and a line and over here. And then you draw this line. Then you draw that and another shape like that. Then you draw like this and like this. Okay, after that, you draw one triangle, then 2, 3, 4, and that's one 5. After that, you draw like this. After that, you draw like this and that. Okay, then you draw like another one, but you do like this, and then you do it over here and like this. And then you do it like this. And you do like this and after that you do like that, and I'm going to pass this part to Albert.
And now we're going to draw his clothes. So first we're gonna draw it like this, and then we stop. And now we're going to draw the wilder sign. So we go like this and that. This and that. This and that. This and that. And now we're going to draw a little bit of teeth. And now we're going to draw a nose. And some eyes. And the other side of the belt. And now we do this. And then we go like this and that. And now we're going to draw some lines, line. And now we're going to draw like this and that. This and that. And then we draw some lines right here and some lines right there. And now I'm going to pass it on to Illia.
Then you do like this and like this. Then you do like 3 triangles. And after that you do to each one like this and do it on other side. You do like this And then this. And do here, here, here. Draw some of those things. And now we're going to draw his tail. It's looking like this. And then you draw it like this, and you do a little bit here and like this. Okay, for today is, thank you for watching. You can see this movie Gears of Goo Jit Zu on YouTube.
And now look what we have now. We have some teeth, some eyes, and a full body. And now have fun. You can color it at home, and we'll see you later, alligator.